USA Senate and Reps, or House of Senate and House of Reps, USA. Yeah? Ana m n'etiti unu. Ana m n'etiti unu. Udo dịrị unu. Ana m n'etiti unu. Udo dịrị unu. Ana m n'etiti unu. Anọ m ya. Onye nwe anyị na-abịa ịhụ ndị enyi ya, ndị kwere na ya, ndị dị ngọzi. Ọ sịrị bịanụ, bịa naranụ m rie, bịa naranụ m ṅụọ, ka m biri n'ime unu na-ebiri n'ime m. Abụ m achịcha ka esi n'igwe bịa. Kristi emeriwo, Kristi na-achị, Kristi na-echi eze. USA Senate, USA Reps, tobe n'ụdị nwenụ m mba niile, mmadụ niile tobe dị nwenụ, maka na o gosiwo anyị ebere ya n'ebe anyị nọ. Eziokwu kedụ nwenụ ya-adị ọkpụ. Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ, etu ọ dị n'ozizi n'ụwa kịta, n'ekpo niile ụwa ebe. Isi ala ikpere ala, anyị na-etiri sakramenti nke maka emume nke dị ọhụrụ nọchiri anya aja mgbochie eluigwe obodo anyị. O nyere anyị achịcha si n'eluigwe nke bụ sọsọ na mma ka anyị yọọ ahịhịa. O dị nwenụ onye hapụrụ anyị na sakramenti nke adị ịhụnanya, ncheta nke ahụhụ gị. Nye anyị na-ayọ gị nzọpụta nke ihe omimi nke arụ na ọbara gị, nke ga-eme ka anyị nweta elele nzọpụta gị. Onye dị ndụ na-achị, onye dị ndụ na-achị, ebebe. Amen. Oremus Pater et Filius et Spiritus Sanctus. Amen. Misael, Deo gratiae. USSF, Ikpumkpu, 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 cover. Ikpumkpu are banished, cover all negativities, cover. Then Akogheli, AKOGHELI, Akogheli forces, negativities, rising against anybody. Akogheli forces, they are negative forces against the world. Then ASI, ASI, lies, LIES. ASI means lies in English, LIES. Then Ighala, IGHALA. Ighala are false and fake. To destroy them and cover them. In all USA House of Representatives, Reps, House of Senate, in their foundation, in their science and technologies, in the places where they stay, where the senators, the reps, representative members stay, and future incoming, in their science and technologies, against them, to destroy them, to separate them, to cause problems among senators, representatives, or bring disease against them, or problems, all kind of problems against them, natural disaster, or shooting arrows in any place. All these Akogheli negative forces troubling them in their science and technologies, and the seat, all their seats, and the speaker's seat in their life, in their foundation, in their personal individual life, and in the group life, and in the group Senate and reps. All the negative Akogheli negative forces, some come like poisonous snakes cause spell, poisonous python cause spells, different kind of negative energies, to destroy them. There, the negative forces Akogheli and all lies, Ighala, fake and false against them, in their mind, in their soul, in their chambers, in their seats, in their families, in the U.S. Senate and in the U.S. Reps, to destroy all these Akogheli negative forces. I use all animals, roster sense, all animals, roster sense, 3 bitter colors, male dog, nkita, male dogs, obago, Otinko chicken, 4 he-goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins, destroy and turn them upside down, all Akogheli. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. I destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And I say, leave USA senators, reps, representatives, the House of Reps and House of Senate alone. Be banished in the north, in the south, in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And where they might struggle to regroup again, to come back, to fight back, the negative forces, Akogheli, lies, Ighala, fake and false, the energies, to fight them, to fight the senators, to fight the reps, their chamber, their house of reps, House of Senate, to block them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, 3 bitter colors, elbow, ngene, green, blocking. Chukwu and Ndi Otuya, walls, all colors, blocking. Uncountable rabbit, build physical and spiritual giant walls, block all negative Akogheli forces, and lies, Ighala, fake and false, block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. To cover them, and like Ikpumkpu, to cover the negative Akogheli forces, where they might struggle to regroup again. I use Oke and Adidi chicken, Obolocha, Oboloji, white and black chicks, 3 uncooked eggs, 3 bitter colors, Ibu Nkata, basket ritual, capture all of them, the negative Akogheli, negativity is there, capture all of them, bring them down, use black blankets, black blanket, black trash bags, cover all of them, the Akogheli, cover all of them, blind them, block them, turn them upside down, chain them, tie them, bury them, and cover all the Akogheli forces coming in the country or from outside country against the Senate, the reps, cover all of them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And all sin, uncleanliness there, in all Senate and all reps, House of Reps, House of Senate, uncleanliness there, and all orahu, ochu, uncleanliness there, negativities, and sin, past, present, and in the future. And the ones that will still do in the future, we must cleanse them now. And reincarnated sin, to cleanse all of them and wipe them off. I use male cow, female cows, 33, autopsy, magic wand, sanitizers, burning incense, burning sage, okra, water, drinks, wine, cleanse and wipe all out on Chukwu justices. Akogheli, aja na ukwu, aja na nta, higher and lower justices. Aja na nri justices. Aja na eziokwu, truth justices. Aja na nri justices. Aja na ụwa, worldwide justices. Physical and spiritual justices. Aja na all Supreme Court justices worldwide. Cleanse and wipe all out there. I cleanse and wipe them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer skyrocket, transfer to all House of Senate, Reps, and to all senators, representatives in their chambers, in their homes. All senators, Reps, House of Reps, USA, representative, House of Senate, USA. I skyrocket all on top. Abaribata! Igwe! We skyrocket again. On top. Infinity, going upward. Abaribata! Igwe! All senators, all House of Reps, all my prayer, past, present, future, Okuku Calabash energies, all the energies, Obu Mpuke, all the energies transfer there, pot and base there. So many people. You say. Sanko and Chief Priest, Peter Nkwuaku, Los Angeles, California, USA. So fucking what it be. Igwe. So fucking what it be. Igwe.